Hi everyone. Thank you for watching my weather observation screencast. Before we start, I would like to go over some basics. My observations were taken in Fahrenheit and taken roughly at the same time each morning. The location of my weather station is in Gateway/Palmer, Alaska, so right over here is the precise location. So let me delete that so we can get on to the observations. My observation started on Monday, February 8th at 5:45 a.m. The average temperature was between negative 0.6 degrees Fahrenheit and negative 1 degree. It was a bit cloudy that morning, though there was no snow. The barometer read 30.28 Hg. On Tuesday, it was a bit warmer during my observation compared to Monday, with an average temperature of 9.3 to 9.8 degrees. The barometer read 32.29 Hg. That evening around 6 p.m. though, the wind began to pick up and the temperatures dipped to negative 1 degree, with wind gusts reaching 30 miles per hour. Snow was pretty heavy and visibility was low. Driving conditions were not ideal. This little storm only lasted 3 to 4 hours before finally subsiding. On Wednesday, the average temperature was between 7.1 and 9.5 degrees. The barometer read a little bit higher than the preceding days at 30.39 Hg. The day itself remained relatively warmer and calmer than Tuesday, as there was no snow and no wind. On Thursday, the average temperature was between 9.3 and 9.8 degrees. The max temperature was about 17.3 for that day, and it was considerably warmer compared to Tuesday. The barometer read 30.25 Hg. There was no snow, but the winds reached about 12 miles per hour going north-northeast. And then finally Friday. Friday was the beginning of some warm weather. The average temperatures were between 22.8 and 22.9 degrees Fahrenheit. The maximum was 24.4 degrees and the minimum was 14.5. The skies were clear, there was no snow, but the winds reached 19 miles per hour headed north. Here are the air temperature trends for the week. Our highest was almost 25 degrees and our lowest was a little over negative 8 degrees. And this is not abnormal for Palmer, or even Alaska for that matter. But it was fun to chart and actually see what it looks like, even though this does look a bit confusing. More to the point of our story. For the barometric pressure, on Wednesday, there had been no snow or wind, and we had the highest barometric pressure reading. And then it dipped down to its lowest point on the 13th. So that has been a lovely weather week in Palmer. And I hope to catch you guys next week. Thank you.